Hello everyone, welcome to day 13 of a Stitch a Day 365 days crochet challenge. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to crochet a extended single crochet. So we all know that the normal single crochet is you insert, pull out a loop, yarn over, pull out of 2 loops. Now, until this golden loop step, it is the same. For an extended single crochet, you just have to pull out of 1 loop first and then pull out of both the loops. This gives a slightly higher height than a normal single crochet. So I'm just crocheting a normal single crochet here next to it just for the example. Okay, as you can see, it is slightly higher than the normal single crochet. Okay, so I'm going to show that to you one more time. You insert, pull out a loop, pull out, yarn over, pull out of 1 loop, and then yarn over, pull out of both the loops. So this is extended single crochet. Do try this out and I will meet you back tomorrow with yet another interesting crochet stitch. Thank you.